You've seen why a lean cockpit beats a cluttered one, and you've watched a whole year get lost to tool hopping. Now it's time to actually build your own panel. This is guided practice, a do-it-with-me session. In one sitting, Rohan turns a messy phone full of apps into a lean cockpit of just the instruments that matter. Follow along on your own tools as we go, and by the end you'll have a panel you genuinely understand. Meet Rohan. He is 30, from Chennai. He understands the idea now: a lean cockpit beats clutter, but understanding is not the same as doing. So this evening he sits down to actually build his panel. He opens his phone and finds 9 finance apps, 3 he genuinely uses, 6 he installed once and forgot, and alerts pinging from nearly all of them. It looks daunting, but in 3 simple exercises, it becomes clear. Grab your own phone and do this with him. Exercise 1. One tool per job. On paper or in your notes, list every investing app and tool you use. Now tag each one by the job it does. Does it help you find ideas, judge them, track what you own, or actually execute? You will notice something: you have 3 apps that all do the same job, and none for another. So circle the single best tool for each job, and cross out every duplicate. Rohan goes from 9 apps to 4. Already, the fog lifts. Exercise 2. Name your 4 instruments, and write them down. 1 trusted tool to find and judge ideas. 1 dashboard to track everything you own. Your broker account to execute. That is your cockpit. Then exercise 3, the one that makes it stick. Switch on a single automation, like a monthly auto SIP, so your investing happens whether you feel like it or not. And finally, open your notifications and mute every alert that is not truly essential. Rohan's phone goes from a slot machine to a quiet, capable cockpit in one sitting. Here is what InvestPro wants you to notice. Rohan did not download anything new. He did not find a secret app. In one evening, with 3 simple exercises, he went from 9 noisy apps to 4 calm instruments, alerts off, 1 automation quietly running. The whole value came from doing the work on his own tools, once. That is the difference between knowing about a lean cockpit and actually having one. Knowing is a video. Having is an evening's exercise, this one. So here is Rohan's finished cockpit, the same 4 jobs, now with 1 instrument each. To find and judge, 1 screener and 1 research source. To track, a single dashboard showing everything he owns. To execute, his broker, with 1 automatic SIP running underneath it all. 4 instruments, 0 noise. Notice it is the exact same panel from our very first lesson, because the foundation never changes. Guided practice just means you have now actually built it, instead of only hearing about it. First for you, you do exercise 1 and find 3 apps that all do the very same job. What does the exercise tell you to do? Keep all 3, because more coverage feels safer. Add a 4th so you can compare them all. Or circle the single best one, and cross out the other 2. It is to circle 1 and cut the rest. Duplicates do not add safety, they add noise and decisions. 1 trusted tool per job is the whole point. One more. Of the 3 exercises, which is the one that makes your lean cockpit actually stick over time? Installing the newest, most advanced app? Adding more alerts so you never miss a move? Or switching on 1 automation, like an auto SIP, so your plan runs on its own? It is the automation. A panel you have to remember to use is fragile. A panel with 1 automatic habit built in keeps flying even on the days you forget to look. Here is the heart of it. A lean cockpit is not something you understand, it is something you build. So do not just watch this. Do the 3 exercises this week. 1. List every tool, circle 1 per job, and cross out the rest. 2. Name your 4 instruments, find, judge, track, and execute. 3. Switch on 1 automation, like an auto SIP, and mute every alert you don't need. It takes 1 evening, and at the end you will have what almost no beginner has: a calm, capable cockpit you actually understand. Start free with a risk DNA assessment at app.investinsightspro.com. Your score is next.